Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Right now what you're looking at is the Dioscorea alata vine that has died back. Okay, this was one of the original vines on this property that was produced from a bulbil of the Dioscorea alata. That bulbil came from a different location in Florida. Now what I want to do here is capture what is going on underground here. So let's go ahead and dig a little bit and see what's happening. I don't want to accidentally break a new shoot that could be popping out. So let's see if there's anything going on in that regard. What I see here is looks like there's a yam growing for sure. So this is the yam here. The bulbil seems to have gotten bigger underground. So the spot where we should see a new vine pop out is pretty much right next to this location here. I don't know if you can really tell what's going on down there, but see what I'm saying? So this thing is rotted, it's dead. But this thing here it's grown, and it feels like it has roots. I don't see any new shoots popping up, but perhaps we'll see some soon. So what I'm going to do is we'll come revisit this in about a month. And I'm just going to cover it back up, put the leaves back over it to keep it moist, and hopefully the heat will activate some growth out of this yam. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. All we were doing here was checking, see what's going on under the ground. Have a good day.